Good morning, it's 8:37 on the 17th of January. It's UK time. I'm going to go through the plan for today and review what happened yesterday. So, these are the scenarios for yesterday. It's a bit messy. Scenario 1 was in blue and was test high and extend to the downside. Scenario 2 in green was test lower and extend to the upside. And scenario 3 was balance in between previous day's VPOC and the HVN, the nearest HVN in that area. So it was sort of a balanced day in between. Not major extensions up or down as per scenario 1 or 2. So we kind of had scenario 3, but in a smaller range. So this is what we really had. My scenario 3 went up to 489 and went down to 420, so 490 to 420. And this is what happened. 483 to 436, and then complete balance. So that's pretty much scenario 3 for yesterday. No major extensions. So yesterday, scenario 3. So no major extensions up or down, complete balance yesterday. Plans for today. Scenario 1 is extreme, the same as the scenario 1 I had yesterday. So up to 470. Previous day's low. Four, 5, 3 here. 425 and 407. So that's scenario 1. Exactly the same as yesterday, scenario 1. So test higher and extend lower to 407 area. We've opened at 430, 440 area. We've opened at 440, so 30 is a bit ambitious to get to here, so possibly just to the VPOC of yesterday. Scenario 2. VPOC yesterday is 461. And 407, my downside target, is only about 50 points of target, 54 points of range, so maybe expectations to go a bit lower. Scenario 2 is also extending lower, but without the push-up. So we open, for example, value area low, and then extend down to the HVN 425, test the previous day low, extend down to $396 is a low of one of the previous days. $396. LVN here, and go as low as 388, well 380. 380 is a naked VPOC. 380. Naked VPOC. So that's scenario 2. And this here is 396, previous day low. Scenario 3 is the going up scenario. As we open, test outside the range. As for scenario 2, instead we find buyers, and we test the VPOC, value area low, value area high. And then extend up to previous day high. And to the upside, target is going to be this VPOC here. Scenario 3 at 490. So that's scenario 3. Scenario 1 and 2 to the downside, one more pronounced, and without the test higher. And scenario 3 is back up to the volume point of control of Monday. Or Tuesday, sorry. And that is that. We'll do it again tomorrow.